May I sure say, a boy be entimi and no mumpo na pese nipa benom.
Ebusian for aha Ghana TV GH. Mesre will like it, comment it, subscribe it, and no notification, so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, Ebusian for Usame Kabi. Ebusian for there are many who ye neno manuntimika. Manuntimika, Ebusian for Enyagro. So nipa, especially said how nipa no ye ndi senior sro no. Bra bi ewo Western North, your friend no Bible. Western North region. Ni Nikki Bible. Na MPP 4-year live be na or request ye or ba live no so or see o. Me so me wasembika. Na asema me waka no. Ese me saw me camera. Was saw ni camera. And we see. Say there. Ghana for mun ka Galamsey assembium. Ade mu fi se Galamsey na jaya na. Enjoy you. Enuanom me mama ni papa nom. Abrantie we e kwan chen a o saw ni camera no. Galamsey na ekoso no. Ekoso rough 2 excavators. You see a friend honum bia river no emu no. Debi. The ekoso nya easy. The ekoso nya easy. Now the unbelievable aspect in this, according to some guy, all this animal man live ever camera no suno. Some very concession Galamsey concession na microphone ye juma was so I want 2 excavators no. A minister be ewo joma ma ban we mu edie. Minister of State ono no die ni concession no. Na asema eba no hu. Na minister kon so no obi a ope content creation pamia mo amonim no. Na ni only job qualification say ni CV mu say na o Danny Hall prefect. Some minister no oye ne hu ti say oye soro abofo no. Some minister na ultimate story na ebro na Akufo Addo ewa ban mu eyo mampeni no mu ma Akufo Addo asunti asem no enne ono say no krepa say esa very concession na guy no di kireye ewa Western North honum bia river ne mu sa minister dia eni nyame abetia no kade on nyame abetia no ka on obedwane ada nipa nkofo bi nipa boni force say who name say who ye Galamsey no, but you go and hide under propaganda say MPP for na mu ye Galamsey, and they won't say ye you too. We have all seen it. And you say yes see we have now all seen it. Na baby as a concession no one obi antimi ka kire me say Galamsey task force name was or whatever no omu hu pa. And say penny a papa penny bi he mama penny bi ewo our NDC ma maybe that concession na can almost in there. And that's one of the things that makes me believe say adia akola no kanu man no kanu enukre. On my no. Let's go and watch this clip by a Bible. But before then, ebusian for your studio no. Edamu nyina se mo amu contribute. What person contributing so no. Na ba na screen na se pa mu cho mo mbo aye why. Mo amuti yen so say ma collapse ya di mi era she me ko hospital a wo frɛ mu bi so mu send this ka say me fanye me medical bill ni se mu nyina no. Me da mu nyina ase. Now let's go and watch evidence as a mamika. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Galamsey as a stance now.
Yummy soup.
One year rapping in the before yummy soup. Che ye Galamsey abeti hini. Ewo man to the extent to say, and then suddenly, NDC ana ye dede. Ewo Galamsey. Suddenly, NDC has forgotten about Galamsey. Sawosha ensuye dahoya. River Ankobra. Many workers say River Ankobra no. May I sure say, Abua bientimi no mumpo na pese nipa benom. And ama eneme kais I think say anopa where I was watching nam TikTok. And me who I think say ensuo be no kwa yepo. Ewo one of I think say Asian countries Korea or say somewhere Asian countries And omono die see and say na a resort. As a the beach was very beautiful and all that. So a tourist site. And it was bringing them income and all that. But because of the boats near there na eba ho ni nipa na air tripping in eba ho every day no. Afe ebe say the ecosystem na e was airport no sa side on no. To the extent say and nama na wo nsuo ni mu nyina start say omo migrate free ho. So omo be realize say that almost say the ecosystem of the river, the sea. That baby as a ensuo no pono sa side no. Almost say ho. So do you know what these people did? Omuklosi beach no. It was one of the beautiful, so it's one of the beautiful beaches in the world. Omuklosi sa beach no. And almost said there, yana see no esaba back to its original state. So the initial plan they say you be close that side of the island for 4 months. Within 4 months anchor and all that, and the I think so I will go look for the video again and I will come back with the figures. But me how many inka that a year resort or say a year island no sa epono na income de bra almost within a month more than $1 million. But they had to close it. Almost close it in the 4 months, even though at the end they recover, but the recovery process it was a bit slow. So they had to close it for 4 years. And 4 years, almost close it, the amount of money almost lose as a country. And as I said, almost close it in 4 years, almost making sure say the ecosystem almost be repaired. The ones they can repair almost be repair ni nyina and afi adene den ababa be no ankasa revamping ni rules aye den
akuya wo dem Mr. Mincho wan me buso asem jo mama kwan ya wo ye free nkra ko kumase na da wo chi ana
me patro ye revamp bra no
yensuo na da ho aye se me ka se kwan yo kam se wo de wo ya ade o
me patro da bi we ye river ankobra
me da say so kafra
river ankobra na yetu Galamsey wo mu ama na yesa no. And see, a country, an Asian country didn't care about. And and yes, no more say no. Almost a beach. And no more there, and no more into Obesia. Says a Nabianka Boti Force near Diano. Near, I said the number of tourists are ever on that door. So, and based on that, I say in Suono, I say the ecosystem. Almost decided to you close the place for 4 solid years. Just to reclaim it back to its original state. Bagana ha, ye, and yes, ye tourist attraction. Yan kasi atnasi adwin who said, Tete kwame nkroma penso, fit before even your friend is saying, nkroma, before independence, ni enim se go do or mayimu. Yet those times are not slave trade, wo nya ni enim se go do or mayimu. Ni enim say yensuo mu na gold wo mu nso na yentu gold mu ensuo yentu gold ewo nsuo. All of a sudden ye benya party bi aye de aboga na dua aye friend NDC. Ama sa party no etimi kofa program bi by a friend youth in mining. Eya president Mills apenso no mu introduce sa de no. Ekotam youth in mining e de ba ye ma enne me ne wo ka say youth in mining e na kofa champagne. Ya tamo Ghana mebrudu amoko China se omunkwasu se ni yetu gold wo nsuom na de ya ne se ukwa China Achire bone na Ghana fo kosua wo China no ko China kasa omo no muntu gold wo nsuo. Enso ye Ghana fo ye timi ko ye kosua se ne tu gold e wo nsuom. Ene ye de baaye. Ena ye de ye ya ba ne se yen abro ne baye nti yan kase ye be kunkum ye ho ye be se ye man no. Ene ye tu Galamsey wo nsuom a fiti for Professor Mills apenso. And NDC for paper woman no mo de share MPP. And I told Ghana for some say MPP for na Galamsey o MPP for na Galamsey nti muntu abentia wo mo. And nay me ne wokasa MPP for ye tu omo ko opposition. Omo akoto no opposition. Omo po omo ko. MPP apenso na ankobra enye sei. NDC ba abemui me kan mani nka 13 months enie me patro mo hwe de Reverend Kobraye ene ye gina ha na one of your panelists be kache ye said River Bia ye health minister aya Galamsey wom health minister onim say since ayi time immemorial teaching hospitals e wo Ghana ha 24-hour economy and so one watimi agada confidence to Galamsey. And everybody is quiet. We are no longer talking. All of a sudden, Galamsey is no longer a menace to a society like Ghana. All of a sudden, yes, say, show the benefits we are reaping from Galamsey. So we should keep quiet. We shouldn't complain. Yemi yankuku yanwa mese me nam TikTok na me hu ye. Ese obi see ne sister come market akoto beans e de abeye beans stew. Na beans stew omo ye no obi a wodi beans ni biara ne. Wo omo rane no omo ofe. The country that we are living in called Ghana no, we are wicked for no reason. Enti enei tall cement and ye de preserve beans e wo kuro ye friend Ghana se Ghana ni e boni nua Ghana ni abura wonwene ho se Ghana ni e pra ni nua Ghana ni a on think it twice se Ghana ni e boni nua Ghana ni a on consider no. This is where we've got into. And I meno woka say yes River Bia. Yankopon ada Roma Ebenezer. The NDC dia bedrunie. River Nkobra ne da hono. And the youth of this country has suddenly lost their voice. We had riffraffs like Raf. Oliver Vama one and saying or say okobie na no kasa NDC for man the one is on one want to say MPP for odi nchimo beyira.
Dom hu be hye ade wi no makwa ye bi na se ka me nkwa ho e ko mesi table na siwa na ade asa na ade ache e jo mo pa na se omo nya be se 10% e di e registration na omo maka frank ya na ko o ma hye ya che so metimi atwa chip ni ma ese mu na kwa mekwa ya ma me fa ma ntia na obi mbrem.
Okay, me da si be.
Metimi wate na be bia me wo de kwan wa ye nyina network basa ni bi o ntina meja fon no be na megina be bi.
Oh. And na say me screen incorporate kra. Okay. Me ba so the next person now or to good God so on kasa. Why? Target, thank you. Ashton, thank you. Me ba so the next person no to your kasa sisi aso.
Boot for boot. Boot.
Boot for boot.
Yeah.
Maybe you know another branch.
Maybe another branch, maba.
Hello?
Okay, boot for boot. Me pa so my boot for boot in casa. Boot for boot. Na yes, my boot for boot in casa we are na do so.
Oh, ma naya senko, meba.
Me man na yes in casa. Oh, another branch. You might say na yes, me pa so yenko.
Yo, me chiachi obi bia
Me ju so na yes.
na makase
Ghana for the Mevan said ye pan yano.
Ye pay a one year no.
The pan yano. Because most of time, yeah, me blame and DC for me blame young people for the Ghana for. Because you move in 2024 election, you know. Ye fan said ye penny and san continue, ye juma. But near referee send DC by G2 me now. I want you to buy any na ni kum. Former President Akufo Addo say it's better say obey osonfo our party ma our party no power than say obey general secretary na our party no position. But say futu no the ma party members na me fan say that ma bebre na ameto te bebre ni so amfa ho ama 2024 ya ye niema ye ne eja man this o. Because we should vote a year 2020. Now, no akra ne yesa benya 2024 akra ne bia meka ho a nka MPP nke kitatu mi no. So aban ye ni Mahama nyuma oba be ye nyuma boni ne ne mafo a abna ban be ye. Ya satna ho sam wasa ba be gitumi. Ye ni hwe ya de 2028. Enti free na kopim 2028 no how ne amanu na ye be famu na ese ye din. Women your friend is a bank I was what dear sika he ena what the two horse no what the buyers are women banks no ni ebisa se akosi sen na sabi you ufa Ghana sika sa wo koto sanitary pad na wakọ kantamanto ese wo kwa akọche ama traders ni bisa se traders na wo ho no omumu ahe na bosome so omunya menses yenyi merima ni mfirim. A man young group man ni enhwe omo 60 years going ni ye che de ama wom de komo na nanu ma na de koma hena che se NDC de ba mfa sika nye bibi papa bi mo bi anya so mfaso o sanye Akufo ba ye obeye free maternity obi bia sa wo hyen wonya so mfaso ho Akufo Addo ba ye ebeye free education ba bi bia wo hye bi anya so mfaso no de daabi ya dua nua manua na hye ya sabase ye se be dua nua enkukon kitinkiti obi timi faka free na kura ase eco district level so okoje nkukon ni amane 4 na bisa ho se transportation in and out no kura cost so say obi moto na before say obi feed nkukon sa 4 no kura na MC bi say ye bra 2000 na omo hwe wo 1000 ewu over 1000 ewu enti 1000 aka na ye che ye nhwe mu say ahe na be say ewu biem. Ntimi fa sika ne nye project ana bibi papa bi edin faso die bebre Ghana man nyina ne yeti hodin ne yehwe ne yebenya NDC fo ne Ghana fo bi a sabi owu o madwen no ma ba support ne mafo a ekoso yi ne mafo a ekoso yebenya nkrofo ba support enti me de meka nyina ne se esase MPP ehihye ye ne mayi. Because if 2028 say yentimi amaji 2 million no amfa ne pa amre Ghana fo mfa ye boni nche ye da na enekura Ghana fo ni bikura na omo support party no na omo pese ye sa transfer ne ye de mwa papa de ma wo mo no ye niema bibi sa basa 2 million free and sa nkrofo no kura mpese omo de ye boni be che ye enti egusu aye watimi wakam wo party nim ni ama unity ama ni nyina ya anko kan ama 2028 ya maji 2 million free sa ba boni nsem na 24-hour economy omu hu ba bi omo de fa o sorry omu kodru filling station bi omo se han ya di filling station we ko 24 hours economy na hina na chiro se filling stations bebre nu anye 24 we also wo ba no abetiti light bill so and light bill na nam say and I'm saying na sesebio Ukraine war and cost bibia Iran USA war and they timi cost niema na and yenhwe ba bia patrol so yeko koko akuafo ene yenhwe ba bia koko price do so they cost 6000 no want me anfa anko 3100 na beto so no mane na why sabi wanya bia ma wase ase ya mone kro no enti NDC de omo ye scam apa na enye nwanwa stress party a yetimi executive ne yi propaganda executive our branch ni yi bi susu wo constituency level ni enye bi wo national level na sa party we sa be gina ho be keka ne ma kire wo na wutie kwoto abama na se bi wo susu wadwen no wo fom kakra nya se mi di nipa bi atem but aye di ye nwanwa enna ndura na mi bisa other platform bia na ye wo so na mi bisa DC for say enti se omobako school na se wo SS no mo ye social studies ne ye se onemu one social intervention NDC ba pa over 20 something years or dia ba enti akwara ne betumi anemu anya ne max ana omoba ne ma papa ben na omde ba be boa Ghana fo etimedie mema manu asi ha ne ma hyempenifo se 2028 so se 2 mini ba MC ni DC for na mpenifo be fa wo mo omo fa wo mo be ye adwuma ne ama party no because party ni was MC ni DC ni oni ho me mpese me bo nkrofo bi din aminim wo na wo be come office anase nkrofo bi be come office no aka kire won say ye de nya party nti ne ye wa ha for man ni nyina ne party ni free to me no MC so te so ana enti ye fa MC ni DC ni CEO fo bi a ye fa omo apart ni do makoma so omo de party mafo no be ye adwuma na nye obi bia obeba na me na yas me pa adwuma no wakofa NDC ni di adwuma na ma NDC ni na wo MC ni ka kire me say you are there for the country, you are there for the oman no enti me nko tena fie na me nko di kom no afa NDC ni a na duru 2024 election na be ka say me meye campaign ma MPP eno na ma MPP ye lose yi cause hwen this ni bi o DMPP fo atem na adwuma ba na ye de akomo no na wo akwa apply ni amfa ama ye nim so ye MPP ni pa na duru campaign so na so nipa na e di adwuma ma no wanya sika sa tomoto e di ye campaign man this year na wo de wo kakra wa na wo akɔbranya na so de be adwuma ma MPP bi mu enti penifo nhwe ho na 2028 de minu se ba ba gitu mi no na ye gi asa ho no mo hwe ho yie pa medam ase be de ma no be si
okay na yes me so me da wase Mr. Felix
Okay.
Eva